I'm now here in northern Spain in the town of Ribadesella, beautiful little town on the Sella River, very close to the northern coastline of Spain. Finally, the sun is here. I love it, I love it. It's beautiful here. I've just come from the area on the other side of the river, from the caves of Tito Bustillo, which actually have prehistoric paintings that date back to 14,000 to 24,000 years before today's date, so a very long time. And I'm heading to the tourism office right now in Ribadesella to get some maps and some local information. And I'm gonna check in with you very shortly, but I wanted to give you a view of this beautiful town here on the Sella River.